Biodiversity. Meaning. Bio. Life. Diversity. Varieties. Definition. The varieties of living species including all fauna and flora, microorganisms, is called biodiversity. Types of biodiversity. 1. Genetic biodiversity. The variation in genes and genotypes within the species is called genetic biodiversity. 2. Species biodiversity. The varieties of species within a habitat or region is called species biodiversity. 3. Ecosystem biodiversity. The variation in plants and animals species.
Assalamu alaikum, this is me Kinza Tariq, and today the topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the organelle of the cell, and itself mitochondria is double bounded membrane. If we're talking about the functions of mitochondria producing different functions in the body, like it producing heat and energy in the body, controlling the activity of sodium in the body, producing citric acid cycles, producing steroids, and different type of functions are produced by mitochondria in the body. If mitochondria are failed to produce proper functioning in the body, like if mitochondria does not producing energy and heat in the body, then different type of genetic disorders will be happens in the body. The lifespan of mitochondria is around about 100 to 120 days, and in every second there are 120 billions mitochondria are produced in every second or 2 seconds. If you like my video, please follow it, share it, like it, and comment.
Scorpion.
On your leg?
No.
Oh, you want the UV light?
Yeah,
Yeah. Found a scorpion. That's the wood scorpion. Pretty common. You can find it on mainland as well. It's one of the smallest species. And as you can see, it glows. So scorpions do glow under UV light. And that's because there's a layer in their exoskeleton which contains a pigment that glows under UV light. So you can refer to our previous video on glowing animals. Okay, wait.
It's not the same scorpion, right?
No, it's Asian forest scorpions. So they're much larger, glossy black in color. It's not like the woody ones. They probably don't camouflage. That's why they are usually hiding in their little burrows, and it's very sensitive to light. So you shine a bit, they will just move back in.
This is what happens when you aren't mowing every square inch of your property. This is Rudbeckia fulgida, also known as black-eyed Susan or orange coneflower, and this is in my backyard. For the past 5 years, all I've been doing on the back 2/3 of my property is mowing the border and mowing trails throughout so me and my family can walk and enjoy it. And since I've been doing that, this orange coneflower has just taken over the wet areas of my pasture. These are the trails I mow. I use these as fire lines and also walking trails. And a lot of people would say those are way too aggressive. They're taking over your property and your neighbor's property where they aren't mowing. And my answer to that is sometimes aggressive natives are a good thing. They're playing a role in the ecosystem. These are great for pollinators, and they're also providing seeds for songbirds and other native wildlife species. And there are actually other native species, blue mistflower and ironweed. But you know what's aggressive if you mow it? Non-native turf grasses like bahia, Bermuda, fescue. And do they allow any native species to grow in here? Nope, and they do nothing for wildlife.